safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping on streets since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless.
Wealth Weekend is here, baby. It's time to take flight with our finances, take our assets to a new altitude, and build wealth 3 times faster, man. It's gonna be a sensational event. I can't wait till y'all see it. Let's get it.
Make some noise for Damon.
Yeah, y'all didn't know. Yeah, yes. Family, can you all stand to your feet and give it up for your dadgum selves today? Stand to your feet and give it up for yourselves.
I believe in it.
High energy! High energy! High energy! Family, without further ado, I would like to bring 2 gentlemen to the stage that have created this room. They are creating millionaires. They are creating generational curse breakers.
Keep clapping, keep clapping.
George and Carter, Melanin Money Nation!
What did I miss?
The next question I have for you all is, well, the next thing I think we have to give up is we have to give up these limiting beliefs about money. Some of us are under the understanding that, man, being wealthy isn't for me. Millionaires sound good, but I don't know, ain't been a millionaire in my family, so I can't do it. Like, some of us fight for our limitations more than we fight for our dreams.
What did I miss? What did I miss?
But I was able to make the shift when I said, wait, money is a tool. And every choice that I make every single day is a choice towards temporary gratification or a choice and investment into my future self.
Spoke to me and said the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of the world is happening right now until my people. And I was obedient and I wrote down everything with nothing. Came upstairs, told my wife, we are never worrying about money for the rest of our lives.
So for me, me saying I hate poverty is a mission statement to remind me of where I'm never going back to. And because of that, I own over 1,000 real estate investment properties. Yeah.
When you have a divine purpose, it will run after you until you get done.
Dr. Wilton Triggs. I'm connected here at Wealth Weekend with Melanin Money. My personal experience with the guys, George and Carter, man, is that I was on their podcast, the Melanin Money Show. Loved them. I met them at Urban Golf Weekend down in Miami, where they were a big time corporate sponsor. We had a great time, networked, and so I had to follow up with them because I just think they're a wealth of knowledge. And being an entrepreneur myself, I wanted to see where I was missing and where I was lacking. And what better place to be here at Wealth Weekend. So I'm Dr. Wilton Triggs, celebrity plastic and reconstructive surgeon. I highly endorse this weekend if you're really trying to 10x, 30x, 50x your company, or just learn how you can build generational wealth or build a legacy.
What's going on, guys? Kenny Conwell, founder of My Money EDU, and the very first thing I got to say is just get in the room. Wealth Weekend has been an amazing experience, being one of the sponsors here and being able to support the Melanin Money movement, but also Wealth Weekend in its entirety is just powerful. So being able to connect with other like-minded individuals who look like us and understand what we're looking to do is powerful. So if you weren't here, all that's not lost. Do whatever you need to do to get yourself in the room next year so that way you can put your family in position to get the information that you can execute to start creating generational wealth. Not necessarily just saying it, but getting the actual jewels, the templates, but more importantly, the relationships so that can lead to the results that you deserve. So get in the room, hats off to Melanin Money, hats off to George, hats off to Carter. Wealth Weekend is powerful. Looking forward to seeing you at the next one. Do not allow yourself not to be here next year.
What is slutty vegan to the people? Is this a concept where I'm calling people sluts all day, every day, which, by the way, made the brand super famous, right? But it can't just be about burgers, pies, and fries. How am I building community beyond the product? And I've done that before, but now it's time to accelerate that. How am I creating generational wealth, not only just for my family at this point, but how am I creating it for people who also want to be entrepreneurs? So that looks like providing a pathway to generational wealth for people who just graduated from college.
It's not enough. Few solid left, but it's not enough. You better reach that, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on there. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made it mad. Yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-pad. Yeah, do it. We survived outside, all from the music. What? They like, what he on? This is Alpha and Omega. Welcome home. This is not a song. This is a revelation. How to get a gone.
How we looking on time?
Bro, I don't know if we're gonna make it in time.
We gotta make it on time. It's our event.
But bro, like traffic right now is crazy. It's saying we won't get there for another hour.
Bro, we can't. All right, let's think. You think what I'm thinking?
You trying to do that?
We got no choice. Let's
do it.
Yo, bro, this is a great idea. We actually probably gonna make it to the middle. If you say so, bro. I don't like it. Don't make it.
All right, bro, come on. Let's go. Shit, hurry up. Fuck. Shit. Let's go, come on, bro, hurry up. What time we got?
I don't know, man. Not a lot.
Shit. Bro, you think we gonna miss anything?
I don't know.
Fuck. Come on, man.
Nah, bro. We ain't missed nothing.
When we say we the biggest and the best, this is what we mean. Welcome to Wealth Weekend.
Bring them out. It's hard to yell when the barrel's in your mouth.
Come on.
Bring them out. Hey. Bring them out.
Yeah.
Bring them out. Hey. Bring them out.
VIP coming live from the VIP. Heard the nightlife, lost life without me.
I have no idea who's gonna win, but the winner of this second category of the night is...
got a lot of final words. This weekend has been one for the books. We appreciate all of y'all coming out and supporting, having an amazing time. But now it's our turn, okay? We gonna have some fun. We gonna turn it up. We did all the learning yesterday and today, right? Now it's time to turn a little bit. Can we have some fun? Can we have some fun? Hey!
91, bet they know me now. I'm the young Harlem with the Goldie sound. Can't no kid hold me down. Cooler, school me to the game. Now I know my duty.